Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew peas with turkey neck. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including red kidney beans and turkey neck. Remember to soak your dried red kidney beans overnight. This significantly reduces cooking time. Next, meticulously clean your turkey neck, removing any excess fat, then season it generously with your favorite herbs and spices. This initial preparation is key to a flavorful dish. Once your turkey neck is seasoned, it's time to brown it. Heat a little oil in a large pot and sear the turkey neck pieces until they are beautifully golden on all sides. This step locks in flavor. Then, add enough water to cover the turkey neck, bring it to a boil, and reduce to a simmer. Let it cook until the meat is fork tender, which might take about 1.5 to 2 hours. Don't forget to skim off any foam. Now that your turkey neck is tender, drain and rinse your soaked red kidney beans. Add these prepared beans to the pot with the turkey neck and its flavorful broth. This is also the perfect time to introduce your fresh herbs and vegetables, such as thyme, scallions, and a Scotch bonnet pepper for a little kick. Stir everything together gently, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined and submerged in the liquid. Continue to simmer. As the stew continues to simmer, you can thicken it to your preferred consistency by adding a flour or cornstarch slurry. Just mix a tablespoon of flour or cornstarch with a little water to create a smooth paste, then stir it into the stew. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or other spices as needed. Serve your delicious stew peas with turkey neck hot, perhaps with some rice or dumplings. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.